In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a pause in the Bambu Studio Slicer. Now I've already finished my design right here and I'm ready to print, and let's say that I want to add some pauses in order to check whether my print is correct on my design right here. Now to do that, you just want to click on your design, navigate through the preview option, and basically you can just edit out the quality, strength, support, and the brim type if you want to. In my case, I'm going to be adding my supports right here. Now to finally add your pause, you then want to navigate to this side category. Basically in here, we can then see the progression of our print. So let's say that we want to add a pause onto this specific section right here. You can just navigate through the section that you want to add the pause into, right click on it, and then we have the add pause option. From there, you will be able to see the pause highlighted right here. Obviously, you can apply multiple pauses if you want to, and from there you have successfully applied a pause in Bambu Studio Slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.